Welcome back, smart shoppers! In today's episode of Buy Smart, we're comparing two titans of the 3D printing world: the Comgrow official Creality Ender 3 and the Creality K1C. Let's dive in and see which one suits your needs best. First up, let's talk about price. The Ender 3 is an affordable option at $232, making it a great entry-level choice. On the other hand, the K1C is priced at $699, which is nearly 3 times the cost. If you're budget-conscious, the Ender 3 is the clear winner here. Reviewers appreciate its affordability and good performance for the price. However, those who opted for the K1C feel that the higher price is justified by its advanced features and superior performance. When it comes to speed and performance, the Ender 3 is reliable and steady, featuring a resume printing function that's perfect for handling power outages. Reviewers note that it's great for beginners as it doesn't overwhelm with speed. The K1C, however, is a speed demon with a max speed of 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's 12 times faster than your average printer, which reviewers love for its efficiency and time-saving capabilities. Next, extruder technology. The Ender 3 has an upgraded extruder that minimizes clogs and ensures smooth extrusion. Reviewers find it dependable for consistent prints. The K1C, on the other hand, features a clog-free direct extruder with a tri-metal unicorn nozzle, making it a favorite among those who need high precision and fewer interruptions. Ease of use is another critical factor. The Ender 3 is user-friendly with easy assembly, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Reviewers appreciate the straightforward setup and the wealth of online resources available. The K1C elevates ease of use with hands-free auto-calibration leveling, which reviewers find incredibly convenient, especially for those new to 3D printing. Finally, let's discuss advanced features. The Ender 3 boasts a safety-protected power supply and quick heating, which reviewers find reliable for everyday use. The K1C, however, comes packed with advanced features like an AI camera for real-time monitoring, carbon fiber filament support, and a silent mode. Reviewers are impressed by its high-tech capabilities and the smooth, quiet operation. Overall, reviewers find the Ender 3 to be a reliable and affordable option, especially for beginners. It's praised for its ease of use and dependable performance. The K1C, while more expensive, is lauded for its advanced features, speed, and convenience, making it a worthwhile investment for those willing to spend more for higher performance. That's it for today's comparison. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us which 3D printer you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description below. Until next time, keep shopping smart and printing smarter.